Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious and nutritious chicken bone broth. First, you'll want to gather approximately 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which can be left over from a roasted chicken or purchased separately. For a richer, deeper flavor, roast these bones in your oven for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, transfer the roasted bones to a large stock pot and add your aromatic vegetables, such as 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion, roughly chopped. Next, cover all the bones and vegetables with cold water, ensuring they are submerged by about 1 inch. This cold water helps extract more collagen and nutrients. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This acid helps draw minerals from the bones. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook slowly for a minimum of 12 hours or up to 24 hours for maximum flavor and nutrient extraction. During the simmering process, you might notice some foam or impurities rising to the surface. Use a ladle or spoon to gently skim these off, discarding them as you go. Once your broth has simmered for the desired time, carefully remove the larger solids like bones and vegetables using tongs or a slotted spoon. Then, strain the entire liquid through a fine mesh sieve. For an even clearer broth, line your sieve with a few layers of cheesecloth before straining. After straining, it's crucial to let your delicious homemade broth cool completely to room temperature before storing. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures safety. Once cooled, transfer the broth into airtight containers, such as glass jars or freezer-safe bags. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze the broth in smaller, convenient portions for up to 6 months, ready to use whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.